Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 14, challenge, noun. American pronunciation, challenge, cha-llenge, challenge. British pronunciation,
challenge, cha-llenge, challenge.
meaning. Challenge means something that tests strength, skill, or ability, and difficult to achieve. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are a technological challenge, a political challenge, a common challenge. Example sentence, challenge, noun. Students faced many challenges during their first year of study. Variations of challenge in academic writing that you need to know are challenging, adjective. It is challenging to write a dissertation when you have a full-time job. And unchallenged, adjective. Einstein's theory of relativity was unchallenged in the scientific community for many decades. Now you can use challenge confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!